go fast through here.
I wasn't going too fast.
Hey, coming around the corner, 67. Speed limit here is 45.
I wasn't going 67. No way. Holy cow. Oh, that was close. Cop pulling in there. That might be a cop behind me. I'm getting lit up. All right, that biker dude gets pulled over. How you doing?
Alright, bud. You blew through the red light.
Yeah, I did kind of juice it through there, and I tend to lock my rear tire up a lot. I'm not trying to make excuses, but I thought just, you know, go through it.
Okay. It was, I mean,
Right.
was red right when you got to it. It's not like it turned red as you were going through.
Or what is it, like halfway or something like that?
No, it's, well, once it's yellow, you gotta start slowing down. You can continue at the same rate of speed.
Right, but yeah.
But it was yellow for a while. I think you had enough time yellow to slow down. You wouldn't have had to jam your brakes.
Right.
And then once you were going through, you kind of goosed it when you got there.
Yeah.
Red right away. So that's why I stopped you.
Right.
Right?
Yeah, I
Your
understand.
driver's license,
It's in my right pocket. Is it okay?
Go ahead, man. Yep.
Okay.
You put the kickstand down.
The only weapon I have is a pocket knife, and it's in my right pocket. And then my registration is back here. There's that. There is. I do. Yep. That. I think that one's good.
This insurance is expired.
Oh, that's the wrong one then. I know my dad renewed it. I know he did. Okay, now I'm a little scared. I'm thinking I stuck the wrong one in there. Oh boy. Progressive. I know my dad renewed it.
On your behalf.
What's that?
We can make a phone call on your behalf.
Okay. Is there a way you could look it up by my license?
You're good, man. I looked at the date wrong.
He misspoke.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was gonna say I thought I put the right one in there.
You're right.
Okay. He's giving me a ticket. Okay.
Driver's license and your registration.
Okay.
Citation for the red light, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So it was red when I went through it?
Yeah, it was red.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions for me?
I do not.
Okay. Drive safely?
Alright. Hey, you stay safe out there.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, and we're both carrying right now. We're going home.
Going home?
Going home.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just kick it for a second or what?
Huh?
Did y'all just kick it for a second just to
Yeah.
traffic or?
Yeah, we've been stuck in traffic. Just wanted to, you know, not gonna lie.
Where's home for y'all?
I didn't hear you.
Where's home for you?
Hubert. We both live in Hubert. Yep.
Just let me see your driver's license real quick and your registration.
Yeah. Can I reach for it? All right. Do you need to see the permit too?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can.
Yep.
Yeah, no, you're good.
All right.
You got it open. Yes, sir. Okay. I was going to verify your stuff real
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, yeah.
It's good to go. I'll have you back on your way, okay?
Okay. Yep. You know. Oh.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, good gentlemen. Just slow down for me. Y'all be careful.
Yes, sir.
Before you're going,
Yes,
drive
sir.
safely, all right?
Thank you so much.
I put it back in?
Get off the bike. Why are you going so fast through here?
I wasn't going too fast.
What do you mean? Coming around the corner 67, speed limit here is 45.
I wasn't going 67, no way.
Well, then how fast do you think you were going?
I was going at least about 50, 55.
Come on over.
Yes, sir.
If you're coming around the corner, you're going 67 miles an hour. Okay?
Okay.
Do me a favor, take your helmet off, driver's license, registration, and turn card. I've had 4 phone calls on you going up and down the canyon.
That's not possible. I literally just got here.
You literally just got here.
Swear to God.
Who are you with up there?
No, I swear to God, I literally I got a phone call saying come to filled up gas, and I literally just got here. Like I just came down the hill for the
Where's the rest of the guys?
Oh, what up, Richard? I'm about to race you, cut.
Run.
You see the cap?
How you doing, officer?
You know, I stopped you.
Yeah, my friend right next to me. He pulled me over. He was like, "Hey, you want to say something?" He was gonna say something to me, and then the light turned green, so I kind of went ahead of him.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have your license on you?
I do. It's in my backpack.
That's fine. Go for it.
All right.
License is right here. You go straight. I get it's a fast bike, but you should know Virginia people can't drive around here.
Yes, sir.
It's kind of crazy.
Yes, sir. That's why I have
Especially no one's paying attention to these bikes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And you're flying down this road. It's not.
I was actually. It looked like I was racing, but I was trying to get away.
I had to get up to 75 to catch up to you going
Yes, sir.
down from the parkway.
Yes, sir.
So,
I know.
I mean, I know you're moving, but you aren't. It's not like 100 miles an hour, but at the same time,
Yes, sir.
you know, I don't know. You know that guy?
Yeah.
It just looks like you're trying to get ahead of everybody. So.
Yeah, I'm also trying to get away from cars around here because they are terrible drivers, like you said.
Right,
but yes,
if
sir.
someone changes lanes, it's going to end up being your fault because you're.
Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, sir.
Text me, okay?
Yep. God damn it! When you get pulled over. Oh my goodness. No ticket, please. No ticket. No ticket.
License is good. Let's keep it that way. All right.
Yes, sir.
Drive safely.
All right. Thank you. Can I shake your hand, sir? I appreciate that. Yeah.
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Hey, I stopped you today because you have that camera on the side of your helmet.
Okay.
You can't have anything attached to your helmet here in Washington.
You can't.
I was completely unaware of that.
What's that?
I was unaware of that.
You can't have anything on your helmet.
Really? Not even on the front?
What's that?
Not even like on the front? Really?
Let me see your driver's license.
Yeah.
And you have the bike registration?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That really? That's weird.
Okay. Hang tight for me, I'll be right back.
Okay.
And in the meantime, why don't you try taking that thing off of there, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, I won't cite you today, but don't have it on in Washington anymore, okay? And if you have buddies you ride with, tell them the same thing, okay?
So as far as Idaho goes,
I don't know, you have to check with Idaho. I only can force Washington.
yeah.
They can't even put spikes on your helmet. You know, guys have the mohawk.
Yeah.
Can't have that on there.
Okay.
Nothing, no foreign object to be mounted on the helmet.
Gotcha. Okay.
Hey, what's going on?
License, registration, proof of insurance.
Yep.
You got any weapons on you I need to know about?
No. Is there a reason you're standing so far back?
Yes, sir. There is. Because I can clearly identify that you have a knife in your pocket, and I just asked you if you have weapons on you.
Oh.
For it, please.
Okay, here you go. Sorry about that. Was unaware I still had my pocket knife.
Where are you coming from?
Hazel Park. Coming from home, headed to 11 Mile and over to bike night.
How'd you come up?
Up Cousins, cross 9 Mile up Cousins, then over at Lincoln, up Wolverine, and now we're here.
Just got a call about an R&D driver.
What's that?
Reckless driving.
Oh, no, I literally just got on my bike.
Give me 1 second.
Oh, no worries.
Right back with you.
Yep.
That plate? You're gonna have to do something about that, man. You can't see that plate.
Yeah? What could I do with it? Like tilt it forward or? Okay. No, thank you. You have a good holiday weekend. All right, everybody.